Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy and I wanted to make a quick update on a stock that has had a lot of hype around it recently, and that is BNGO stock, ticker symbol BNGO. Before I get into the chart and I get into the analysis, I'm going straight to their website, and right here, this is the first thing that you will see if you go on BioNano Genomics. Sapphire reveals genetic drivers of severe COVID-19 susceptibility. This device right here is the reason why BNGO has had so much hype on it recently. And in layman's term, all this device does is let you know which person is going to get hit harder by COVID-19 and which person is going to get hit less. And essentially, there are genetic variations in every single one of you that this machine is able to tell if you're going to get it severe or less severe. I'm just going to start off by saying this stock is not a long-term hold, and I will explain why when I show you guys their financials. But another reason why I think this is a lot of hype and this is not going to generate the type of income people want, there's going to be a COVID-20, a COVID-21, COVID-22. And when I say that, I'm saying there are mutations of every single virus. A virus, and the way an antibody works is our body builds defenses to that specific virus, and then that virus is smart enough to mutate into something, and then again we get sick, we build immunity, and now we defeat that one, and that process goes on forever. And that is what immunity is at a basic level. So all of this hype that you're seeing now, in my opinion, is tradable hype. So right now we're looking at BNGO on the 30-minute time frame, and I have one big trend line that this stock has traded along since about December 22nd. So we traded below 50 cents not too long ago, and today we're trading at $8.43. So right here are buying opportunities, as you have seen multiple times. Every time you have interacted with this line at support was a buy. Here you would have bought, you would have made money. Again, if you bought it here, would have made money. Again, money. Again, you would have made money. So with that, what are we looking for? We are looking for a back test of this line to get in for a quick swing play. And that is it. We are not holding this long term. This is something that you are going to get in and you're going to get out, because that is the name of the game with hype biotech stocks like BNGO. Now we're going to go look at BNGO's financials, and this is what really makes or breaks it for me if I want to hold the company long term. Is this company making money? So let's see. If we look at the net loss from 2019 to 2020, we have increased that net loss substantially. But Dummy Boy, the cash and equivalents increased substantially in 2020 from 2019. That was a result of share dilution because the company needed to make money and they needed to fund their projects, so they had to do share dilution, which is not the worst thing in their case. But are those proceeds going to help this product generate revenue long term? Personally, I don't think this product specifically that they have is going to drive that type of revenue that investors think. So if we go even further back and we look at 2018 and 2019 product revenue, I'm just going to skip through all the boring stuff and we're going to go straight to the net loss. And you can see we had a larger net loss in 2019 than we did in 2018. So the biggest thing you should be looking at as an investor is the product itself generating revenue. And if we look from 2019 to 2020, their revenues again were lower. Year over year, they've been lower. And there was another increase in the net loss. But Dummy Boy, once this instrument comes out, won't their revenues increase? Maybe, potentially, but as someone who's going to put their own hard-earned money, are you willing to put it into a company that is losing so much money and bet it all on this device that could only be used in a temporary time frame within maybe a year, year and a half, and then later on there's no such thing as COVID-19? We're talking about a whole different disease, a whole different flu with a whole different genetic makeup that this device will not be able to detect. Then I would say stay away from this stock. But again, there's a difference between long-term buy and holds and trading. This is definitely a tradable stock, but this is not a long-term hold. And I feel like there are a lot of people who think like me as well. So those of you who are holding, remember, people are trading this stock. So there is going to be lots of swings, lots of volatility in this. Capitalize it by getting in and getting out. Don't get stuck holding the bag on these pharmaceuticals, biotech companies. There are millions of these type of companies, and every day you will see a biotech company boom or bust or both in the same day. These type of stocks are fun when you're in at 50 cents and then you see it hit $10, and a lot of people want to hop in because they think it's going to go higher, and it very well may go higher. But is that something you're willing to risk your hard-earned money on? Instead, invest that money into a company that is actually profitable, and you know long-term fundamentals are there. You know that their product is generating revenue, their operating margins are positive. In my opinion, BNGO is not it. It's not the one. Those of you who have listened to this far, I appreciate you for listening. I appreciate you for letting me get my opinion out. And if you guys did like my opinion, and you guys do like my thought process, and you guys do like these update videos, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. We are on that road to 1K subscribers. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I will see you guys in the next one.